Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to uninstall the KB5058411 update on your Windows 11 PC. Let's get started. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. On the left-hand side, click on Windows Update. Inside the Windows Update section, click on Update History. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Uninstall Updates. In the list of installed updates, look for Update KB5058411. Once you locate it, click on the Uninstall button next to it. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Click Uninstall again to continue. Windows will now begin removing the update and all related data. Once the process finishes, restart your PC to apply the changes and complete the uninstallation. And that's it. You've successfully removed the KB5058411 update from your system. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.